I think working with Fire of the Goddess was one of the most profound experiences of my life, because with each task that I undertook, with each line of inquiry I went with, I just got much closer to myself. I got a better understanding about where I'm coming from. I was able to let go of a lot of things that didn't serve who I am, and I have been on a whole other kind of experience, because I have allowed myself to open myself up to my own self, to my authenticity. And that would not have happened if I didn't go down the line of inquiry that FOTG gave me. Whatever NNG did, I feel like the intensity and impact of that work increased multiple folds with FOTG, and I am eternally grateful for that experience.